Embarking on this adventure, we set foot in Tokyo for the first time, guided not by meticulous plans but by the thrill of the unknown. As avid cruisers, we had just concluded a memorable voyage around Japan and couldn't resist the allure of Tokyo. Thus, with a spontaneous spirit, we boarded the train from Yokohama to Tokyo Shibuya, ready to embrace whatever the city had in store for us. Shibuya Crossing is one of the busiest intersections in the world, and it has become a symbol of Tokyo's bustling energy. The Hachiko statue is a famous bronze representation of a dog remembered for his remarkable loyalty to his owner, a professor at the University of Tokyo. The statue was erected in 1934 to honor Hachiko's loyalty and has since become a popular meeting spot and tourist attraction in Shibuya. From commuters rushing to work to students meeting up with friends to tourists taking in the sights, Shibuya Crossing is a crossroads of cultures and experiences. The crossing can be overwhelming, with a sea of people moving in a chaotic order. If you stand still, the flow will move around you, similar to a school of fish. We saw a cafe that overlooked the crossing and decided to pause to get our bearings. It was an excellent location for people watching and taking pictures. The desserts were also very yummy. We found a crosswalk a lot of photographers use to get great pictures of the crossing. Shibuya Crossing is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to capture the energy and excitement of Tokyo. We then crossed the street a couple of times for the whole experience. We even saw the Mario Karts going by. They will be on my list to do the next visit. Shibuya Crossing offers endless opportunities for capturing stunning images. From the neon lights and towering billboards to the sea of people crossing the street. We saw a pachinko and slot parlor and couldn't resist peeking inside to see what the big deal was. It reminded me of a loud casino full of slots. Then it was time to find something to eat, and with no plans, we were lucky to find some great tonkatsu, a dish consisting of a breaded, deep-fried pork cutlet. After our delicious dinner, we explored a little longer and found a park lit up beautifully for Christmas.
My birthday in Tokyo, Japan. Seems like there's an event every night here in Japan. I love it. Everywhere I go, if there's a park, there's an event on the weekends.
For our second day, we took the train into Shinjuku, Tokyo's bustling district, full of bright lights, towering skyscrapers, and endless entertainment options. It wasn't long before we found the Gracery Hotel with the iconic Godzilla overlooking the street. As we wandered the streets of Shinjuku, we encountered a diverse range of shops and restaurants. I then spotted a dog cafe and convinced Nomi that we had to go in to experience it. It cost around $20 for both of us, and with a little plate of chicken food for them. Word of advice, don't let these little guys get close to the plate because they will scarf it in a second. They knew what they were doing and greeted every customer with a wagging tail until the food was gone. They were like cute little ninjas, ready and waiting for treats. I'm pretty sure the corgi was the ringleader. After the puppy fun, we found ourselves in a nearby Buddhist temple.
Machine kill dogs.
We always like the history and beauty of temples. It's important to show respect when visiting these sacred cultural places. We then walked until we found Kabukicho Tower. It's the newest skyscraper in Tokyo, with an amazing food court. We had no idea it was such a cool place, and we would spend the rest of the afternoon there.
Here, smile, smile.
We started with some great Korean bibimbap. I know what people are going to say in the comments that you don't go to Japan to eat Korean food, but in our defense, we have been eating Japanese food for the past 3 weeks. And then watched a special Morioka Sansa dance. There was also a cool arcade on the second floor, but unfortunately I couldn't win the Miku figure. We then thought how cool it would be to watch Godzilla 1 while in Tokyo, so we first went to the largest theater, only to find out that it didn't have subtitles. Then someone told us that the Kabukicho Tower has the best theater on the 9th floor. So, back to the Kabukicho Tower, where we bought our Godzilla tickets at the 109 Cinemas. It was a fantastic theater with one of the best sound systems we had ever heard. After seeing the best Godzilla movie ever, we enjoyed the views from the tower. If you're enjoying our content so far, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get updates every time we post a new video. Your support means the world to us, and we would love to have you as a part of our community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Double